Okay, so I'm just going to do a little demonstration regarding QR codes. So you see on the screen here, I've got a QR code. Let's go create our own code. So either on Google search or start page search, we are going to search for a QR code generator. We're going to use this one down here, QR code generator. We have a green banner, which to know you're on the right one. Go to the three dots, click on it, and click no margin. I prefer the no margin because I think it looks a little bit cleaner, but that's just for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach my Calendly booking page. So I have a booking page here for John's Financial Freedom Sunday session at 1 o'clock. So we're going to copy that link, put that into the URL line here. And what we're going to do is we're going to save it. We're going to save it as a PNG. So we'll just save this as Sunday session. And PNG is basically a better quality JPEG, but they both basically do the same thing. So it downloads into the Sunday session. If we bring this up, and what I want you guys to do is pull out your phone, put it on camera, and just hold the camera up to that QR code. And it'll automatically bring up my Calendly page for people to book. One of the examples that I have is on a poster that I created for showing people the percentages that we've had since January, February, March, you know, between 20 and 23%, which is fantastic. They're going to look at that, get themselves interested, and saying, what would you rather be available for? The Sunday at 1 o'clock on John's session, or Monday at 11 a.m. for Dano's session. And they can scan each code or either code depending on their availability. So that's how I get my, when I talk to somebody, I talk to them for 15, 20 seconds, pull this up, show them some results in the past, get them to scan the code, and now we have a customer that is available to watch the session. Yeah, so that's what I do. Thanks.